are prepared to break the silence. I'll be out in the sunshine, running beside the lions. I've been feeling down.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hello, welcome back to the WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a secret between USDCAD and US30 or any other NASDAQ asset. This is a kind of negative correlation, right? That is a negative correlation. Their strength and performance are in opposite direction. I'm going to show you right now. If you go to the daily time frame, you notice that the USDCAD is trading above the moving average 200 and basically 20. Okay, so it's trading above moving average 200 and moving average 20. I'm telling you the truth. If you go to NASDAQ component, be it US30, US100, US500, that is the S&P 500, you discover they do the opposite, right? Let's go and check. Now, if you check well, use the time analysis. Like, take a good number of period of time in the past. You discover that from here all the way down, there is a 360-degree crossing. Like, what I mean by 360-degree crossing, we have crossing here. This is a kind of, in a football pitch, around the 180-degree demarcation line or the 360-degree circle, right? So there is a crossing here, meaning that the bears have taken over this market, and if you are very smart enough, you should have traded this move. This would have made you rich, right? But that is not what I'm trying to pinpoint. I'm trying to talk about the correlation, right? So, and in fact, it's part of it, because if you check here, the market is below the moving average 200 and below the moving average 20, right? Like, the major components of the price action, the major components of the candlestick, the total number of candlesticks is statistically greater in the like below the moving averages 20 and 200, right? So you see, but if you go to USDCAD, the opposite just happened. They are both. So whenever whenever one is doing something, the other one is doing the opposite. Whenever one is bull, the other one is bear. Whenever one is uptrend, the other one is downtrend. But see, this cannot give you signal. I hope you know. Yes, it can never give you signal. That two things have negative correlation does not mean you can easily predict a major event with respect to the other. But it will give you a kind of insight. Like, it will help you to believe something. What it will help you to believe is that if this is a bull market, then the other one is a bear market. Any day they have the same correlation, any day they behave in the same direction, then you know that you have to be very, very smart to make the right decision. But if each time you shake, they have negative correlation, they behave in opposite direction, then it will make you to have a strong belief, like, oh, this one is bear, then this one must be bull, and that is what it should be. Then you do your normal analysis, your fundamentals, your technical, and then get the result, the best result. That okay, check. Let's go to H1 right now. Let's go to H1 time frame. You see, in the H1 time frame, you discover that US30 is currently trading below the moving average 20 and 200. That means it's currently selling, right? It's currently selling. Now, if you don't want to get a signal, you can't tell me that you will just come here and sell. No, that is selling. Then you will go and sell. You have to do your technical and fundamental analysis. Look at news. Is there any probability that this market is going to sell based on fundamental or technical? That is the question. You see a market that break a structure, a very strong support. This is a very strong support. It was broken in the H1, and then there is a retest. All right, there is a retest. There is a retest to this structure. So we miss this retest. We should have traded it. We should have sold here. Now there is a double bottom, right? There is a double bottom here. So you because of this low has not been taken out. They just create equal lows. It hasn't been taken out. There are two things that will happen. We can expect this market to range between these two structures or to break out of any of these structures. So if you are selling in this market, you have to manage your risk extremely carefully. Like, your risk management should be very, very much powerful than ever, because the signal is going to be weak, because there is no new low that has been created. Because if there is a new low that has been created, then there is probability of a new low to be created. In other words, you can expect a sell. If we allow this this price action that flow like this, if we allow it to strictly break this structure, if you allow it to strictly break this structure here, and then it will not be like, okay, let me go to this, let me go to H4. It will not be like, if you check, it will not be like something like this. The price will break here, move like this, and then we will have a retest to here. Then when we see some sort of candlestick patterns, some sort of swinging system, then we will not believe that this market is going to push down like this. But for me, there is high probability that US30 or other NASDAQ is going to crash. They are going to sell, right? Because if you look, USDCAD have already given us a bullish behavior. Therefore, US30 or other NASDAQ is going to correlate negatively, meaning that it's going to give us a bearish behavior. It's left for you to make your analysis and get the right entry, right? So, but instead of you to suffer yourself and trying to do this analysis and still lose, because what you don't know, you don't know. There are people that have power. There are people that have been created to solve a particular problem. All you need to do right now is to leverage our own expertise. You need to join our VIP, Forex VIP signals, right? We have Forex, what I call WFS VIP signal, right? You have to join. Change your life today. Make sure you make a good decision next year, 2023, by joining our WFS channel. I call it VIP WFS Profitable channel. You have to join it and change your life. Bye for now.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
You've got it if you're prepared to break the silence.